What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot. It's just summer. I got classes, I got work, and I've just been trying to enjoy my life so far. But just know when school starts, I'm gonna buckle down and try to keep on with the videos. But as you guys can see, I have bought a pair of Apple Airpods, and I've had these for over a week now, and I'm just gonna start doing the unboxing today because I really haven't had time. So let's get my trusty. God, I'm just gonna mess up this box so bad. You guys know how I do it on this channel. I don't know how to unbox. I don't know how to put screen protectors. I don't know how to do anything nice, and I scuffed up the box. Way to go, Chris. Way to go. Okay, so now we have the box here, and nice AirPods. You get nice material. It comes with the charging case and the lightning connector. Designed by Apple in California. I thought it used to say in Cupertino, but they might have changed that. I might have been just crazy. Nice. So now we have here the AirPods case. But let's put that to the side. You have your lightning connector, because I believe you charge the case from here in the bottom. Yes, that's how you do that. AirPods, your instructions, how you would pair these. You turn on with Bluetooth, and just all the types of ways you guys can connect your thing. You guys don't really know that. It's just simple. Just pop it open, and let me just take it out and let me see what's it. I'll give you guys my first impressions right now. So as far as the material, this feels like a nice weight. It's not too heavy, but it's also not too light. So that feels pretty good. It's not heavy or too light. It's got a nice feel. Nice. Oh, that feels good right there. Wow, I could do this for hours. Listen to that click, guys. That's satisfying right there. That's nice and magnetic. But yeah, let's open it up for real this time. And I'm gonna put these on my ear. And as you can see, that's the light right there that lets us know. But I'm gonna just put them on my ear right now and tell you guys how comfortable they are. Alright guys, they're in my ear now. And as far as comfortability, I have my normal AirPods here, my earpods, the ones that came with my iPhone 8 Plus. And as for comfort, they feel just about the same. I feel like they're not gonna come off. Yeah, I feel like they're nice and sturdy. I'm shaking my head right now, head banging. No, you're good. You're not dropping these off. I could be running at the gym, and I will tell you guys after a week or two about how my impressions have been so far. But yeah, as far for the field, I feel like they're really there. But yeah, that was pretty good. And then you would just put them back. Does it say which one's the left one, which one's the right one? Yeah, this is the right one. So you just pop it back open. Oh, and it clicks for magnetic in there. Oh, and that click is so satisfying. I swear, when they make products, that work well and feel good. That's the thing about Apple. Like, they've always made products that feel good in the hand and that just plain work. I know that's like a bad argument because most companies that make phones, they work, but like the simplicity in this, it's just amazing. But that does it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry I haven't been posting, guys. I've just been like trying to enjoy my summer. But yeah. Comment, like, and subscribe. Remember, we're almost to 1,000 subs. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any comments, questions, or videos you would like to see on the Apple AirPods, please let me know down below. And I will try to make a video or explain it to you guys in the comments how it's been going. And without further ado, see you guys in the next video. Peace.